My name is Jian Song in the office of L2S Superlec, and I'm a PhD candidate enrolled in the University of Paris-Saclay. And meanwhile, I'm an early stage researcher, ESR, with CNRS in IT and Marie Curie 5Gaura project, started from March 2016. In this project, I belong to Work Package 1, Technology Innovation and Integration as a physical layer. And personally, at CNRS 1, my project title is the system level analysis and optimization of small-cell millimeter wave cellular networks. The objective is to develop new utility functions to quantify coverage and rate, and by using them for system level optimization in the hyperdense millimeter wave cellular systems. As for the expected results, we would like to propose new sets of mathematical frameworks and also new resource allocation schemes. As a PhD candidate, my thesis is new contributions to the modeling of cellular system by using stochastic geometry. And up to now, I finished 3 sub-projects called analysis of ultra-dense millimeter wave cellular systems by using interference alignment. And I also finished system level optimization in the 3D elevated base stations. And most recently, I finalized the reflection probability modeling in the modern smart wireless networks by using meta-surface. Now I'm mainly working on the mixed integer nonlinear programming resource allocation schemes in network slicing problem by using generalized Bender's decomposition. Thank you so much.
开始。
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shaojun Shi, and I'm the ESRs in CNRS under the supervision of Professor Mark Lorenzo, and I joined this 5Gaura ITM project in the 1st of March 2016, and I'm very glad that I can join this project because actually it gives us an opportunity to establish a relationship with the early researchers in EU and worldwide, and I think it's a very good platform that gives us a chance to communicate with each other and share the academic academic acknowledgement. And I think the best one that in this project is that is a segment for each ES in this 5Gaura project. They have a chance to exchange in different situations and schools. And for me, I have a segment in hotel, Greece. I think it's a very good chance that I can learn many new knowledges from the industry parts. And I'm very thanks to George. He's a very nice guy, and he helped me a lot for the living and research in Greece. And as for my research in the previous 3 years, I finished about the 3-month project. The first one is MIMO in uplink analysis and optimization, and the second one is unmuting mobile terminals for uplink interference mitigation in serial networks. And third one is visual parallel communications and its applications with inconvergence point process. So in these three parts, I finished the channel modeling and the system level analysis and optimizations. And currently, I'm working on the meta surface. In this project, we try to model the channels through a meta surface and see what the channel can look like, and we want to do the optimization and system analysis for this kind of system performance, like the current probability and the average rate.
Hi, my name is Christos. I'm working at OT Academy in Greece as an early stage researcher for the 5Gaura Marie Curie project. I applied to this position because I wanted to strengthen my background on the field of wireless mobile networks, and OT Academy, as one of the daughter companies of OTE, which is the main telecommunication provider in Greece, would be a great start for a telecommunication engineer and a research scientist like me thus giving me the chance not only to follow the major changes that take place in the telecommunications sector, but also to become an active contributor to it. In fact, so far my knowledge on wireless mobile networks has been broadened, and I have gained expertise on wireless virtualization and techno-economics field as well. More specifically, I have studied how the virtualization concept could help mobile network operators efficiently share their available resources and gain more revenues. And additionally, my scientific writing skills have been advanced considerably, leading to several journal and conference paper publications. In future, this project, through its continuous training, will enable me to become an expert researcher on 5G communication networks. I really think it will give me the opportunity to implement my knowledge and have an active role in the transformation of the existing LTE 4G networks to the 5G networks. And finally, by receiving a PhD degree, will give me the chance not only to transfer my knowledge to younger people willing to follow this kind of field, but also to actively participate in academic research collaborations around the world.
Good morning, my name is Gianfranco Zanzi and I've been employed in the last couple of years as an ESR at the NEC Laboratories Europe in Germany, which is one of the partners of the 5Gaura ITN project. I have been asked to share my thoughts about this project, which is about to end, so here I am. I start saying that as an ESR, I've got the possibility to work within a European network of both industrial and academic partners, which were sharing a common objective, the development of future 5G technologies. Obviously, all the innovation passes through a preliminary research phase, and more specifically with my work in NEC, I explore the concept of network of slicing, which allows mobile network operators to set up virtualized instances or slices of a common physical mobile network to vertical industries or over-the-top provider, traditionally alien to the telecommunication market. The objective is to provide dedicated network resources to safely deliver advanced services as those envisioned by 5G, like for example autonomous driving or virtual reality gaming, and at the same time guarantee a solid user experience. In the last year, several training events organized by the project allow me to consolidate my expertise and build new ones. Moreover, as part of my PhD program in the University of Kaiserslautern, I have been involved in the writing and publication of several scientific papers. I also got the possibility to share my results with the scientific community in international conferences and discuss with true experts in the field my ideas and get useful feedbacks for my work. I believe that such activities have been very useful to build my network of contacts, and this will be very useful for my future career development in the next years. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Germa. Originally I'm from Ethiopia, and here I'm working as a early stage researcher in NEC Heidelberg. Before joining 5Gaura, I used to work in Milan as a software engineer. When I joined this program, my expectation was to get a real-world experience, research experience in 5G networks, which is like the future network that's going to power many new technologies, including, for instance, autonomous cars. I mean, the opportunity is huge, and I'm really happy to be part of this. And my expectation was to get like hands-on experience on deploying and network test beds and doing research on 5G. And from my day-to-day work here in NEC Heidelberg, I have got so much, and I'm really happy about it. Also, from the courseworks that are prepared by the 5Gaura, I have got so many theoretical knowledge, and that really strengthens my research and expertise. And I believe that more or less my expectation is met in this program, and in the next month I'm going to do my secondment in University of Kaiserslautern for 5 months, and I hope that will be also another great exposure for me to create my future research and development career. I'm thankful for everyone in this program for giving me this chance, and thank you. That's it.
Hello everyone, I'm Rakibis Tamrani, ESR 5Gaura project. I'm hosted in UPC Barcelona. Currently I'm doing my secondment in OT Academy, Athens, Greece. After completing my master's from communication engineering, I was looking for to do my future research work and pursue my PhD degree in wireless communication engineering, and I found this opportunity in 5Gaura ITN. And I got lucky, I got selected, and I started my PhD here. I was actually interested in this position because such ITN projects provide so many trainings, and they provide so many opportunities to learn new things, build your career, and learn about the world, make good networks, this kind of things. I completed my second year already with this project, and I believe I'm more polished researcher than before. Since I got trainings related to my related to wireless communications, 5G, technical schools, and also technical writing, how to develop a personal career, how to develop as a person. So it is not only focusing on the technical part, it also builds you as a researcher, as a person. So I believe that this kind of trainings and this kind of projects helps us a lot for our future career, and I'm thankful for such opportunities.
Hi everyone, I'm Akshay, and I'm an ESR working in UPC in Barcelona, currently on a secondment in NEC Laboratories, Heidelberg, Germany. I work on a specific topic of mobility management in 5G networks, and I joined 5Gaura in September 2016, and so my expectations when I joined was to be part of this 5G development process, and it's once in a lifetime opportunity for a communications engineer to be part of development in new generation of communications technologies, and to also gain mathematical experiences through a lot of courses, and of course implementations, and working on projects that are related to optimization theory. As part of the program, I've also gained a lot of experiences through the courses and through my colleagues, and working with them and discussing ideas, as well as through the various lectures that we have had. And more or less my expectations have been met when I joined the 5Gaura project, and my experiences through all the schools and through the conferences and through writing journal papers, and also we are doing a patent, so through the patent process has been amazing, and I have gained a lot of knowledge through it. Also through 5Gaura I've been able to start, and I'm very close to finishing my PhD. The challenges that I've experienced as well as the experience I've gained throughout my PhD program, they are going to place me well in the challenges that I'll face in my future career, both technologically as well as from a skills perspective. And so I'm very thankful for the project, for all the PIs and organizers, as well as the European Union. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mikel Irazabal. I'm an ESR in the 5Gaura ITN Marie Curie project. I'm right now at UPC. I wasn't recruited at the beginning at UPC. Right now at UPC, we are working on the RAN, on the radio access network. We started working with open air interface. We moved to a testbed where it was developed by us with the new standards of the 5G that they are going to make a revolution, especially in the timings and the latency. We implement this testbed with real traffic. We test it. We concentrated especially with low latency, with delay sensitive low latency traffic, especially in the timing. It's important for us. I'm right now working with Mr. Ilker Demirkol and Ms. Elena Lopez here at the UPC. I will have a secondment in the 1st of May, and I will go to Nice actually to the place where they start and develop the OpenAir interface. And during the next 4 months, I will have the opportunity to enhance this magnificent open source project. About my expectation after this experience, I think that I would like to continue in the research work. I would like to continue enhancing this 5G revolution and all this low latency traffic that I think that we will need it in the future. So I'm happy that I get this experience from this project, and that I will continue with this technology. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Matteo Vincenzi and I come from Italy. I've done both bachelor and master degrees at the University of Bologna, and I'm currently a PhD student at the Università Politecnica di Catalunya. I'm a Marie Curie ESR within the 5Gaura project, and actually I've been the first ESR to be recruited. And I'm happily working within the work package number 4 in network virtualization and multi-tenancy. The title of my research position is actually Programmable Policies and Quality of Service Provision for Over-the-Top Application Support in 5G Networks. It's a very long title. What it means is that currently there are new services envisioned and foreseen by 5G for future networks and customers, with very demanding end-to-end quality of services, as they are not currently supported by existing networks, which are hardware-based and with slow adaptation to different traffic flows and with limited guarantees to quality of services. On the other hand, infrastructure owners don't have the will to adapt their network in order to support these services, as they don't have the sufficient economic incentives to do that. Let's say a new business model foresees an ecosystem where infrastructure provider on one hand adapt their network because the service providers and over-the-top application providers want to come into play by paying for getting the quality of service they are looking for. So in particular what I'm studying are innovative mechanisms for fast resource provision, exploiting the abstraction offered by virtualization technologies and architectures such as NFV and SDN, and so that it would be possible to provide on-demand network slicing. And I'm studying on one hand the economic returns to the infrastructure providers, and on the other hand the performances in elastic traffic management, in dynamic quality of service guarantees, and in service prioritization and pricing. Thank you.
My name is Asif. I am working as a PhD researcher under supervision of Professor Hans Schotten at the Technical University of Kaiserslautern in Germany. My PhD topic is in the broad area of network slicing in 5G communication system. Looking into the coming decades, there is no reason to doubt that telecommunications will play a significant role in the digitalization of industries such as public transportation, manufacturing, energy, as well as sectors such as financial, banking, healthcare, and others. We believe that a 5G communication system in general and network slicing in particular will help the digitalization process of industry in order to make a pervasive networks of machines, people, and intelligent objects in the near future. Therefore, the 5G communication network needs to be designed in an efficient way to offer a different mix of capabilities to meet all these diverse requirements at the same time. This will definitely open new businesses and will play a significant role in the GDP growth across the globe. Before joining the 5Gaura project, I have always been interested to do my PhD in Europe. When I applied to a Marie Curie program, I felt that it could represent a unique opportunity to improve my scientific skills extend my research network, and experience a different research environment. As a Marie Curie Actions researcher, I'm very glad to learn new technologies and scientific skills. This grant has given me the chances to perform new research collaborations with other researchers across Europe. It has not only taught me science, but also helped me to explore Europe, learn a new European language, and meet new people. I'm very confident that my professional profile will open the door to new opportunities in the current competitive job market.
My name is Meysam Nassimi, and I am PhD researcher at the Technical University of Kaiserslautern in Germany. My PhD topic is on mobile network traffic management in the context of 5th generation of mobile networks. In this project, we designed a novel congestion control mechanism to handle sudden peak traffic and provide efficient network utilization. The reason for designing such a mechanism is emerging applications and services require the mobile devices to be always on, either for synchronization or for providing service updates. Since most of these applications usually remains enabled by the user even when they are not being actively used, they generate a large amount of signaling and a small data message that may compromise the performance of others more critical applications, especially in case of network congestion. This project provided me with the right condition to perform research in an extremely stimulating project and environment. My Marie Curie Fellowship helped me acquire technical skills for my project. It is a rewarding process which has strengthened my career with the strong international networking exposure and skills development. This grant has already taught me many things, not only related to technology but also to people and culture. As for my future career, thanks to the prestigious Marie Curie grant, it's helped me to improve my technical profile and also create my professional network. As for my future career, thanks to the prestigious Marie Curie grant, it's helped me to improve my technical profile and also create my professional network. I'm confident that my improved professional profile will open new opportunities in the competitive scientific job market.